ChatGPT, Etsy, and Shopify just teamed up to bring you in-app purchases. Now let's be real. Most of us saw this coming. And if you're like me, you already use ChatGPT like it's Google. Honestly, I don't even bother searching on there anymore. I either flip into auto mode or thinking mode and I ask Chatty everything. So it's no shock that in-app shopping was the next move. But this is leaving a lot of you with questions. So let's get into them. See, the first one is, what do I have to do to be seen? Now, according to ChatGPT, you technically have to opt in. But here's the thing, Shopify and Etsy already handle that for you. You don't have to lift a finger. Your products are integrated into OpenAI's instant checkout, also known as their agentic commerce protocol. What this means is if your listing qualifies, then people are going to see a buy button right inside ChatGPT. And if it doesn't, then they're just going to see a visit option. So what does instant checkout actually mean then? See, right now it's simple. No crazy variations. You can't offer 15 drop downs or personalized options just yet. However, I guarantee that's probably coming soon. Eventually, buyers will probably be able to type in the name and get a custom mug or select between different options. For right now, that unfortunately isn't available. So you need to do basic options only. This is kind of like a beta test. They're rolling it out, testing it to see if it works, ironing out the kinks before any big updates. And here's the thing, visibility is important, right? So how do you actually get seen inside this system? See, first, don't complicate that listing. Like I just said, make it simple, clean, and direct. Second, your SEO has to be on point. And I'm not talking about just throwing, say, dog sweater as one of your keywords. That's not gonna cut it. ChatGPT already knows people better than they know themselves. It knows if somebody owns a Chihuahua, and it also knows if their favorite color is maybe, say, gray, and they also wear an XL t-shirt. So if someone just types in that basic prompt of, hey, I wanna buy a sweater with a dog on it, then it's gonna show something with a gray XL Chihuahua sweater instantly. But if your listing doesn't have the right tags, such as Chihuahua, gray, XL, then you're not gonna be seen. That's why SEO matters more than ever. And if you're lost on SEO, which I know a lot of you are, I have an entire video breaking this down and actually finding out what people are searching for. No tools required. So go watch that if you don't know where to start. And here's the thing. See, your pictures are gonna play a huge role. If your mockups look like shit, then guess what? You're not gonna get purchases. This is now all people will see. That first image and maybe a little bit of information about your product. So if your picture doesn't stand out, then they're just gonna swipe to the next one. And that is going to be a huge miss on your part. And while we don't know exactly the algorithm that's gonna be on ChatGPT right now, if it's anything like Google, Instagram, or even Etsy, enough passes and you're not gonna show up anymore. So make sure your pictures are killer. Strike that customer with immediate emotion. Pull them in and make them click that buy button, or possibly lose them and ChatGPT forever. So now let's take a step back here. What's next? See, in my opinion, this is just the beginning. Etsy and Shopify are here now, and Shopify is just scratching the surface. They have 1 million merchants already on there, but it's only top names like Skims and Spanx, so they're starting to roll out more gradually. So if you're brand new, it may take a minute before you're actually being seen on there. But don't get discouraged. See, this is a long game. And let's be honest, I guarantee Amazon is definitely gonna be next. There's no way OpenAI is going to ignore the biggest marketplace on the planet, especially when they're probably already collecting a small cut from every purchase going through their system. So when Amazon gets added, the floodgates are going to open. People are going to be using this over and over to make purchases, meaning you need to start getting optimized today. See, this is the wave of the future. And I've been saying this from day one. AI isn't going anywhere. You either get on this train or you're going to get left behind. So if you want to keep learning how to use ChatGPT in your business before wasting any money and time doing it wrong, then hit the subscribe button or grab a pen and paper and write down "help me" on a huge sign, because your ass is about to be kicked to the curb. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.